Cardiff University are delighted to be one of 5 flagship projects for Being Human. We are celebrating the Festival of the Humanities and really looking at research in arts and humanity areas to engage the public in different and creative ways.
So the theme this year is connecting with research interests around place, around Cynefin, around home. And at Cardiff University we've got all sorts of researchers doing really creative and inspiring work which is thinking about those themes, and so it's great to see those being a part of the festival.
We went on a tour around Cardiff where we looked at different landmarks, we learnt about the history and how things have changed over time.
This was a theatre of war, there was preparation for war.
The event was absolutely perfect, very interesting.
So the tour was based on Cardiff University research, which is really cool because it means that stuff we do with the university has an impact on the people and the buildings and the structures around the city, and it has a big effect on history as well.
Very impressed because I know the research from Glamorgan Archives, so for Cardiff University to keep this going and doing research and encouraging others to study the research is very impressive.
Sarah Hughes dwi a dyn ni yma yn casgliadau arbennig ag archifau Prifysgol Caerdydd. A fel rhan o Being Human sy'n dathlu'r dyniaethau, dyn ni'n rhannu'n casgliadau ni heddi gyda phobl greadigol a chynhyrchwyr cynnwys.
I'm an artist and researcher, and what attracted me to this event was learning more about the archives and how I can use them to inspire my own work.
I've only been here for a few hours and I've unlocked so many more stories that I want to add my name to and help to tell, and it's just an incredible resource.
Events like this are part of finding your community, finding your people, making friends, making connections and networks, and I feel community belonging here, for sure.
It's like a big gift to us and for Wales, and we should absolutely take advantage of it.
We've been running the event here in the wonderful Temple of Peace this evening on the War and the Mind exhibition, which has just recently opened at Imperial War Museum.
This is all about war's many psychological dimensions, and it explores all of the different ways that war affects the way that we think, we feel and we behave.
I've got a big interest in history and military history specifically. When I saw there was a speaker from the Imperial War Museum, that was obviously a great attraction.
I've come from Valencia, Spain, because of the interest of the human aspects of conflict, and especially the human cost of conflict.
It was a fantastic combination of speakers to understand the issues through a variety of different lenses.
Being Human is an amazing thing for the way that it brings communities together, and we really felt that tonight.
This sort of festival and these activities are really good at bringing a sense of belonging and bringing a sense of community about to the area, you know. It's our history, you know, it's where we come from, so it's really nice to be able to showcase that.
To see this connection with the community carry on would be really good.
Yeah, it was fab. It was really good.
I think they did a really good job.